I know there. And I know there.
Hope say una remember this video. Odogwu and Aisha fans no fit forget her. Lie, it's not possible. When Odogwu and Aisha been there indoors, they do something sumptuous. If you know, you know. they do something. They were punching, and Madam Orumba there. I swear that woman a confirmed vibe. Ah God, I swear I miss those times when these guys were still cool. They were cool, like they were just cool. I miss Sam. I don't know if you miss Sam. But guy, I be their top fan. I do always do. Normally I did sometimes. You understand? But yet I be their top fan. Guy, I be their confirmed fan. And Odogwu and Aisha fans, they don't forget this video. If you forget this video, that means you in fact, you are a pity. I pity you because you cannot pity what a pity can pity. You get the point now. So let's go back. Let's watch this video and see. You get enjoy.
Oh Jesus! Hey, Jesus! Go to first round, my second round. Round even. Hey, Jesus! I don't. Hey! Why that what are they doing? Oh, what I could hear. I could chat. Oh, to Choria. Go to Choria. Yeah, when I'm my ringing too. Talk, worry about. Until we see me ever rock. Change your game. Go to Canberra. Go to Canberra. I saw the better one. I don't know why I was doing it. How did it was? Oh, my kitchen. Joy, you go away. Well, what are the what are the
baby does as number goes of your happy hair. Almost isn't boy.
I wouldn't have baby. I never knew.
Mommy, look at Tonya.
What be this? Jesus.
The man of heaven now. Half of them one. Because I want to.
What's up, people? Hope so I enjoyed the video because normally myself I enjoyed the video. I enjoy am die. I enjoy am. So see guys, for the fact say Odogwu and Aisha don't talk, say they're not going to do their comedy again. They're not going to supply una with something we go make una laugh. For this hard time, this hard cheap, now in person go online, make him go laugh. You go to see something we go to break your heart. Guys, I don't come. I want to supply una now with something where there's some chores, something good, something nice about them. I go to supply una with to. You understand? So the past memories, all those comedies, all those nice memories, everything good, everything nice, I'll supply you guys because I love these couples. I want to supply you in a way to when I go see. And I go, they always pray for them. And I know go want me they continue like this. You understand? So I beg, if you never follow this page, follow them now. Thank you.